Find the general solution of the differential equation dy over dx is equal to tan squared quantity x plus y. So dito, pwede tayo let u is equal to x plus y. Then differentiate natin both sides with respect to x. Magiging du over dx is equal to derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus dy over dx. Okay, so ito, papansin natin ito, di ba? dy over dx to. So, solve natin tong equation. So, dy over dx is equal to du over dx. Lipat lang ito dito, di ba, sa kabila, kaya minus 1. So, substitute na natin, magiging du over dx. Minus 1 is equal to tan squared, ano na siya, u. So, itong minus 1, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging plus 1, kaya du over dx is equal to tan squared u plus 1. Okay? And then, itong tan squared u plus 1, trigonometric identities, katumbas niya is secant squared u. So, magiging du over dx is equal to secant squared u. Yan na. Then, lipat natin ito dito sa kabila. Isolate natin yung dx sa kabila din. Kaya magiging du over secant squared u is equal to dx. So, yun na. Pwede natin sila integrate both sides. Itong secant squared u, pwede natin ito siyang i-rewrite as cosine, in terms of cosine. So, reciprocal lang, kaya magiging cosine squared u du is equal to, sabi natin to, integral ng dx is x plus c. Okay. Itong para natin to integrate. So, note, yung ano natin is double angle cosine 2u, diba, is equal to, anong katumbas niyan? 2 cosine squared u minus 1. So, siyempre, sasolve natin in terms of cosine 2u. So, cosine squared u. Cosine squared u is equal to, lipat lang sa kabila. So, magiging cosine 2u plus 1 all over 2 or cosine squared u is equal to cosine 2u over 2 plus 1 half. Okay, so substitute na lang natin. Kaya magiging integral of cosine 2u over 2 plus 1 half du is equal to x plus c. So, integrate natin tong cosine 2u. Ang integral ng cosine 2u is sine 2u. So, magiging sine 2u. Then, ano ang derivative ng 2u is 2. So, divide natin. Divide 2 times, may 2 pa siya doon. So, 2 plus integral of 1 half is 1 half u is equal to x plus c. So, pwede pa ito i-simplify. Magiging sine 2u over 4 plus 1 half u is equal to x plus c. Then yung u is, ano na nga, x plus y. So, substitute na lang. So, sine 2 times x plus y all over 4 plus 1 half x plus y is equal to x plus c. And then, ito, pwede natin ito i-expand. So, distribute ito. So, magiging sine 2x plus 2y all over 4 plus 1 half x plus y is equal to x plus c. So, dito, pwede na tayo minto, pero pwede pa yan i-simplify pa. Multiply natin both sides by 4. So, magiging sine 2x plus 2y is equal to, so 4 divide 2 is 2. So, distribute na agad natin. Magiging, plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus c. So, pa rin siya, constant pa rin kahit nag-multiply na tayo ng 2. So, ilipat na lang to sa kabilang side, yung 2x, kaya magiging sine 2x plus 2y plus 2y is equal to 2x plus c. So, this is the general solution for the given differential equation.